Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of turnip. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Turnip. Turnip is scientifically known as Brassica rapa. It is a vegetable which has a creamy white color and a purple top. It is grown in temperate areas around the world. It is a cousin of broccoli, Brussels sprouts, arugula, and kale. Turnips are very nutritious and have many health benefits like reducing inflammation, regulate metabolism, boost immune system, and improve cardiovascular health. Intestinal problems. Turnips are high in fiber and thus reduce the risk of intestinal problems. Colorectal cancer. It also reduces inflammation, bowel movement, and pressure in the colon. Lowering blood pressure. Turnips contain potassium, which reduces high blood pressure, inhibiting platelet aggregation, and preserving or improving endothelial dysfunction. Fighting cancer. Turnips reduce the risk of cancer. Weight loss and digestion. Turnips are low in calories and are high in fiber, which helps in weight loss. It also maintains blood sugar levels, prevents constipation, regulates bowel movements, regulates digestion, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular health. Improve heart health. Turnips contain lots of important nutrients like potassium and fiber, which reduces the strain on blood vessels and arthritis, thus lowering blood pressure. It also prevents excess cholesterol levels from the body and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Improve blood circulation. Turnips contain iron, which reduce the risk of anemia and improve blood circulation in the body. Boost immune system. Turnips contain vitamin C and ascorbic acid, which improve the immune system and promote the production of WBC and antibodies. It also reduces the risk of cancer and heart diseases. Improve bone strength. Turnips contain calcium, which promotes the growth and repair of bones in the body. It also increases bone mineral density and reduces the risk of osteoporosis and arthritis. Fight inflammation. Turnips green contain omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin K, which protect from many inflammatory conditions. It also prevents from gout, chronic pain, and arthritis, and promote overall wellness of the body. Boost metabolism. Turnips contain vitamin B, which ensure the working of the organ system and hormone levels, thus improving metabolism. Avoid atherosclerosis. Turnips contain beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which prevent free radicals and its effects. It also reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. Bolster lung health. Turnips contain vitamin A, promoting healthy lungs and reducing the risk of lung inflammation, lung cancer, and emphysema. Manage asthma. Turnips contain anti-inflammatory properties which help in treating asthma. Protect eye health. Because turnip greens are a rich source of carotenoid called lutein. The vegetable supports eye health and prevents ocular disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. How to buy and store turnip. When buying turnips, choose those that are small and heavy for their size. Look for green tops that are brightly colored and fresh. Store turnips in a cool, dim area. Uses of turnip. Treatment of torn feet. External use of turnip helps in the treatment of torn feet. For this purpose, you can take about 12 turnips along with their leaves and boil them in water. Before going to bed, soak your feet in this boiled water along with turnips for 10 minutes and also rub some turnips on the torn skin of your feet. Doing this regularly for 3 days will make your feet soft and repair your skin. Turnip leaves will help to eliminate wrinkles on the feet. Have smooth glowing skin. Consistent consumption of turnips result in bright and smooth skin. The potent levels of vitamins A and C help in preserving healthy, glowing skin. Cure common ailments. The healing and therapeutic abilities of turnip abound in managing a myriad of common ailments, such as lack of appetite and hemorrhoids. Consistent eating of turnips has been said to even fight kidney stones in their early stages. Manage a healthy weight. Being low in calories, turnips can support a weight loss regimen. The high fiber content of the vegetable enhances a healthy metabolism, regulates a healthy weight, and keeps your digestive system humming happily. Smell better. If you are looking for a natural alternative to your underarm deodorant, look no further. Drinking turnip juice is rather effective at banishing body odor. Safety profile. Turnips can affect the thyroid gland and production of this hormone. If you are at a risk of thyroid disorder or currently suffering from one, it might be wise to speak to a doctor before adding turnips to your diet. Turnips can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet. Eating a diet with variety is better than concentrating on individual foods as the key to good health. Other risks are oxalates. Turnip greens are among a small number of foods that contain measurable amounts of oxalates, which on becoming too concentrated in the body fluids, crystallize and cause health problems for patients with kidney or gallbladder stones. Goitrogenic. Individuals with thyroid problems should limit or avoid eating turnips because it contains substances called goitrogens, which can interfere with the functioning of the thyroid gland. Digestive problems. Turnips contain sulfur compounds that cause flatulence and digestion problem in some people. Fun facts about turnip. The heaviest turnip was grown in the USA in 2004. It weighed nearly 18 kg. Boiled turnip roots are used as a cough and cold remedy in Iran. Larger varieties of turnips are used as feed for livestock. Turnips are vegetables and the root of the plant Brassica rapa. Turnips are from the Brassica genus, which includes Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower, and are from the Brassicaceae family, the family of mustard, cabbages, and crucifers. A turnip is typically spherical in shape. with a smaller root at the base, which is generally removed when sold commercially, and it has long green leaves at the top. Turnips are usually mainly white in color, with a green, red, or purple area at the top caused by sun exposure, and the flesh is generally white, although in some of the baby turnip varieties it can be red, yellow, or orange in color. Turnips grow to be 5 to 20 centimeters, that is 2 to 8 inches in diameter, and can be as heavy as 1 kg, that is 2.2 pounds in weight. Turnips are commonly cooked, pickled, or added as side vegetables, or made into soup, and the baby vegetables are used raw in salads. Turnips have been grown agriculturally since 1400 BC in India, and the origin of the vegetable is uncertain, although it is believed to be most likely native to Europe or possibly Asia. Turnips have a sharp taste, which becomes less strong by cooking, and the young vegetables are sweeter. The long leaves of turnips can be eaten and are usually cooked, although they can also be added to salads. Turnips are high in vitamin C, are a good source of fiber, and contain many other vitamins and minerals.